Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed Instagram, Facebook, and X, formerly Twitter, into your GoHighLevel website. This is a powerful way to showcase your social media content directly on your site, keeping visitors engaged and building credibility without them ever having to leave your page. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to your GoHighLevel login page, enter your credentials, and click Login to access your account. If you're managing multiple sub-accounts, make sure you switch to the specific sub-account where you want to build or modify your website. Once you're logged in, head over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Sites. This will direct you to your Funnels menu where you can see all your existing funnels and websites. At the top menu, click on Websites to filter your view. From here, you can either select an existing website where you'd like to embed your social content or create a brand new one. To start fresh, click the plus New Website button in the top right corner, select from blank, enter a name for your website, and hit Create. You'll now be directed to your newly created website dashboard. Click on plus Add New Page and input a name for this page in the field provided. Once you've named it, click Create New Page and wait for it to load on your screen. When it appears, click Edit to open the website designer. On your website designer page, you'll see a blank canvas ready for customization. Click the plus icon in the upper left corner of your screen to open the Elements section on the left side panel. From there, click on Rows. You'll be presented with several row options featuring different column layouts. For this tutorial, let's select the 2-column option and drag it onto your editor screen. This layout will allow us to display 2 social media embeds side by side, creating a clean and professional look. Now, within each column of the 2-column element, you'll see a plus Add button in the middle. Click on it, and in the left menu panel, use the search bar to type code. This is the element we need to embed your social media content. Drag and drop the code element into each column so you have one in each space. Click on the first code element you added. On the right side panel, you'll see an option labeled Open Code Editor. Click on it to open the editor where we'll paste the embed code for your first social media platform. Now open a new tab and navigate to the social media platform you want to embed, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or X. For this example, let's start with YouTube. Find the video you want to showcase and scroll down until you see the share icon. Click on it and a small window will pop up. Under the share options, click Embed, which will take you to another window displaying the embed code. On the bottom right, click Copy to copy the code to your clipboard. Head back to your GoHighLevel code editor, paste the code in, and click Save. Next, let's embed an Instagram post. Switch to your Instagram tab and click on the content you want to display. In the top right corner, click the 3-dot icon to reveal additional options. Look for the option named Embed and click Copy Embed Code. Return to your GoHighLevel editor, open the code editor for the second column, paste the Instagram embed code, and click Save. After you've added both embed codes, click Save at the top of your page to finalize your changes. Your social media content is now live on your GoHighLevel website, seamlessly integrated and ready to impress your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.